Sunspace Texas brings porch enclosures and sunrooms to the Longview/Tyler area for immediate release. February 3, 2023, Sunspace Texas, a premier provider of custom-made sunroom and porch enclosure products, is proud to announce its expansion into Longview and Tyler, Texas and surrounding cities. Sunspace Texas specializes in creating custom porch enclosures and sunrooms to help homeowners make the most of their outdoor living space. Their products are designed and manufactured with the highest quality materials and offer an array of features, including UV protection, insulation, low maintenance, and a variety of colors and styles. By expanding into Longview and Tyler, Texas, Sunspace Texas is able to provide homeowners in the area with the same quality and custom-made products as they offer in other parts of the state. With the help of their experienced team of experts, homeowners can easily design and install their dream porch enclosure or sunroom. We are excited to expand into Longview and Tyler, Texas, Sunspace Texas owner. Our company has always been committed to providing homeowners with the best quality products, and now we can do that for the people of Longview and Tyler, Texas. We look forward to helping them create their perfect outdoor living space. For more information about Sunspace Texas and its products, please visit www.sunspacetexas.com. About Sunspace Texas. Sunspace Texas is a leading provider of custom-made sunrooms and porch enclosures. With locations throughout Texas, their experienced team of experts can help homeowners design and install their perfect outdoor living space. They offer a variety of products designed with the highest quality materials and features, including UV protection, insulation, low maintenance, and a variety of colors and styles.